Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll to find the sound section. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, tap on advanced, and right under the advanced, let's say, we've got this section. So here we've got three different options, let's say, in which we can change the ringtone, the sound. So we've got the ringtone, notification sound, and the alarm sound. I'll show you how to do it using the phone ringtone, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, here we've got that was a misclick. Here we've got the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the very top of this list, we've got the option None, which simply means that your device will not use the sound to notify about the incoming call. And at the very bottom, we've got Add Ringtone, and after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here, or in any other album, for example, downloads, and you will be able to find them and set them as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it, and you will be able to listen. So that's quite easy. And if you're decided that, and if you're sure that you want to set this particular, for example, in my case Kuma, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will simply use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.